Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this night vision effect on CapCut PC. So you are firstly going to select your video, just select this one. Then you are going to actually go to the filters section and you're going to type in night vision. Then you're going to select this green night vision one and you're going to place it on your video. Then I'm just going to go to adjustments here and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit more. I'm going to turn down the saturation a little bit and I'm going to add in some particles because night visions aren't super clear, and I'm also going to add a vignette to it. You can also go to effects and find like a camera like overlay, I guess. Let's see, which one should we put? Maybe like this retro cam or like this recorder one. It's totally up to you. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.